In this video I will show you how you can place the artificial lights. When you have to make artificial lights, you should have go to the ceiling plan. I have this ceiling plan level 1. I will show you this. See this ceiling, I place this lights. I will show you in the second floor. First you have to create the ceiling. As you know, ceiling you can create from here and ceiling. After ceiling you have to place the lights. So go in the component, click here, then load in the family. You will see here lights. So go in the library. If you cannot see, click here, go library. After library you have metric. After that go in the lights. So you can see here this is lighting. Click here, just artificial architecture light, internal. Then you can see many lights here. So any light you can choose and you can place here and make group. So I will use this light, for example. Here I will show you many lights. So choose any light what you need. I will click this one, open. After that you can see here you can place this light. For example, you have to place this light from here and here, like this one. You can place this light. Okay, you can see this light. How you will see this light? Go in the first level, then you have to create here some camera view. Then you can see here, click here and make camera view like this. We pick in the second floor, just go in the second floor. We'll make camera. I will make camera again from here like this. You see this light here. If you cannot see, just go realistic here, fine. After fine you can see this one here. Make bigger view and you can see this light here. So like this one you can place the light. This you will see in the rendering when is light working. Again go in the level 2 and you want to make grouping. If you want to make the group of lights, group artificial lights, just select. Okay, just go in the architectures, then go in the modify. In the modify, create, you will see here this is create parts, here create assembly, here is group. Just click in the group, it will be see you have to model group, give his name lights, LIGHT lights, and okay. After that you will see here add lights. How many lights you want to make one group? Add, click here. I select this, and then finish. It will see now this showing like group. If you copy this one from here, it will be move all lights like this one. So now this light have one group and you want to make multi copy, it will be go like this one. Select, copy, and you will see paste here. Select, copy, it will be from here, here. So in this video you see what you will learn, how to replace the light, and then you can make modification from here group. After group this you can make here. If you want to see here light was working, just this is level 2. Just go in the level 2, make here camera view from that side like this, and you will see this light. And go here elastic and find how it will be working. Go in the RR rendering, we'll see it's working or no. Put here rendering interior artificial lights, here exterior artificial lights, and you will see here medium. Just click here rendering. When you have inside light rendering, you have to choose here artificial only, and this light will be show you. See, this light is working now. So when rendering complete, you will see the full view. So you see now rendering complete, this light is working. So like this one you can create light and make the group of lights.